This is my audience for today. That's Daniel, Kimmy, and David. And Kimmy's going to video for me. Alright, so I don't know about you, but when I go to the store and I buy groceries and I come home and I've put away all my groceries and all I have left are my plastic bags, I throw them all away. I'm guessing I'm not the only person who does this, considering the amount of plastic bags that are filling our landfills and our oceans and littering the entire earth. Plastic is a non-biodegradable product, yet on average we only use them for about 12 minutes. The overuse of plastic harms our environment and all the animals on it, and it's time that we were informed of what exactly happens after we unload our groceries and throw our so-called disposable grocery bags away. Today, I will cover the amount of plastic garbage in our oceans and landfills and the toll it takes on our world as a whole, why we should require everyone to use reusable or recyclable grocery bags, and the toll it will take on our planet if we should choose not to use recyclable grocery bags. So, to start out, let's talk about what makes plastic bags so terrible for the planet. Plastic, as I said before, is non-biodegradable and it hurts our oceans and our wildlife. Plastic actually takes hundreds of years to decompose, and when it finally does, it's not really completely gone. It photodegrades, which means that it just breaks into tiny pieces, but it's never completely gone. Marine wildlife, according to Ted Dubois, marine animals such as turtles and seabirds see these microplastic particles floating in the water and think that it's food. Plastic cannot be digested. Thus, the plastic blocks the digestive tract, and the turtle or bird dies from starvation because their food cannot be digested. It is estimated that over 267 species of seabirds have plastic in their bodies. In the ocean, there are large whirlpools of water called gyres, which collect tons of garbage. The largest gyre is between California and Hawaii and is referred to as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. According to National Geographic, 99.9% of that garbage is plastic, and 70% of it all sinks to the bottom of the ocean and hurts the ocean floor. Plastic bags also hurt the environment because they use up valuable non-renewable resources, and the process of making them hurts the planet. To make a plastic bag, it uses polyethylene, which is made from fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are a very important non-renewable resource, and we use on average 12 million barrels of oil each year just to make plastic grocery bags. Not only is this a waste of valuable non-renewable resources, but the process of making these bags actually releases greenhouse gases, which contribute to climate change and global warming. Now that we see the extremity of how plastic bags affect our planet, I would like to propose a solution. I propose that the government supplies 2 reusable grocery bags to each household, and stores will, instead of using plastic bags, start using paper bags. Paper bags are made from trees, which is a renewable resource, and after paper bags are taken home, they can be recycled. I also propose that we charge a 15-cent fee for every plastic bag used. According to Joseph Curtin in Ireland, they did this, and the annual use dropped from an estimated 328 to 14 per person for the amount of plastic bags used. Next, I would like to talk about what the benefits and consequences will be if we choose to go through with switching to recyclable grocery bags, or if we don't. If we decide to change, then we will be helping the environment. We will be helping our ocean wildlife and birds and just the world in general. If everyone recycled more and used recyclable resources, then our oceans, air, and land would be cleaner. Not switching will hurt our planet more and more each day. If we don't do it, the consequences will show for later generations, and then it will be on them to figure out something to do. And I think it's better to make a decision now and fix it as soon as we can, instead of just putting it off for later generations to deal with. In conclusion, there are tons of plastic garbage that fill our landfills and our oceans and are hurting our ecosystems. We should use recyclable paper bags again, and everyone should be supplied 2 free reusable grocery bags. If we refuse to make a change, our planet will continue to suffer and eventually can get to the point of being unlivable. Take a moment to think of all the ways you could help preserve our beautiful planet. This is one simple, easy way that, if done, it could make a huge difference in the quality of this life and this in our planet. We only have one planet, so it's really important to take care of it and preserve it, and you can easily help by switching to reusable and recyclable grocery bags, and to help by informing others around you of the damage that plastic does to our environment. I hope you learned more about how you can help our planet stay beautiful. Thank you so much for listening.